Hey everyone, I'm coming to you live from Lane Tech College Prep, the site of Apple's just completed education event. And not only am I flying drones with Swift Playground, I am unboxing the brand new 9.7-inch iPad. Check it out. Similar box to previous iPads. We'll just get inside. Pull this over. You have the iPad itself, 9.7 inches. It has the Apple A10 Fusion processor, not the one found in the iPad Pro, but the one found in the iPhone 7. As that boots inside, you have your designed by Apple in California, all your tips, multiple languages, and of course your stickers, lightning cable, traditional iPad charging brick, so non-laminated display, so same as last year, first generation Touch ID, also the same as last year, front-facing camera and rear-facing camera, same as last year. You do have the Wi-Fi and 3G options. But because you have the Apple A10 Fusion chip, you do have a better image signal processor, a better ISP, so you get better face detection, white balance, focus, all of those things, and probably better AR, augmented reality processing. The big news though is Apple Pencil support. So now you can use the Apple Pencil with the 9.7-inch iPad the same way that you used to only previously be able to use it with the iPad Pro. And it feels really good to draw. It doesn't have the ProMotion display, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles, but it does have the same touch layer as the original 9.7-inch iPad Pro. So it actually feels really good to draw on, surprisingly good to draw on, given I've been used to drawing on a 10.5-inch iPad Pro for the last little while. And yeah, full support for rotation and angling and pressure and all of that good stuff. So no smart connector, no ProMotion display, no X in the processor, but this is still a fabulous new 9.7-inch iPad with Apple Pencil support. It's available for $299 in education, $329 normally. Apple Pencil's $100 normally, $89 for education. It's available to order now, it ships at the end of the week. And there's also going to be a Logitech Crayon that uses a lot of the Apple Pencil technology available soon. Can't wait till Serenity Caldwell gets her hands on that one. More to come.